We're gonna make some spicy, delicious turkey fried rice with this jumbo turkey leg. All right guys, if you're new here, my name is Todd. This is Greenhorn Barbecue Beer. Thanks for visiting my channel. And as always, we appreciate it when you spend some of your time out of your day to watch some of our videos. We're gonna make some turkey fried rice, and I'm using leftover smoked jumbo turkey legs that I made on a previous video, and I'll put that card up there so you can go check it out. We smoked it on the Traeger. We spiced it up with some cayenne pepper and Uncle Steve's shake, and it just came out so good that it's perfect for adding into other dishes like fried rice. So before we get into the ingredients and how we're gonna do it, take a minute to smash that subscribe button, hit your notifications so you don't miss a thing. All right guys, so the ingredients are pretty basic when it comes to a chicken fried rice. We're really only substituting the chicken for the turkey. Pretty close to the same thing, not quite, but this is a great way to use some of that leftover meat that you got. So what we got here is some cal rice, or cal rose rice, steamed the day before and then put in the fridge to set up overnight. It's the best way to do steamed rice. Trust me on this. Then we got some fresh green onion, a medium white or yellow onion, a couple eggs, absolutely some fresh garlic, and to spice it up with some little bit of color, we got some baby carrots, some various colors, definitely some fresh ginger. Of course, we got the giant turkey leg. And then when it comes to sauces, we got some soy sauce. Now you can substitute low sodium soy sauce if you want. We're also running with some premium oyster sauce, some sesame seed, and I really like the premium sesame oil as well. Put a little bit of that in there. You're gonna need a little bit of butter or oil of your choice, and that's about it. And don't forget this big old wok. What I'd like to do right now is just go ahead and get our vegetables ready. Go ahead and cut a few of these green onions. Now you want the greeny part of it, so we're just gonna cut those. And maybe a few for good measure, and then I'm just gonna set those aside. Then I'm gonna wanna take this onion here, and I'm gonna go ahead and split it down the middle. Now what you wanna do is keep this tail here, and just kind of peel it, get that top layer off. One of you awesome YouTubers showed me how to do this, and I can't remember which one, but essentially you just do a whole bunch of cuts like this. Now I want these kind of chunky, okay? There we go. This will kind of add to the texture, I think. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Set those aside. Now we're going to want to take this fresh garlic and turn it into some crushed garlic. And that looks pretty good. Set this aside. You want about equal parts ginger, so I'm going to go ahead and just do the same thing here. All right guys, there we go. Baby carrots, which aren't really baby at all. They're just carrots that didn't pass the presentability test in the plant. So they have a special machine that rounds them up, makes them look like baby carrots, but they're not really baby carrots. Okay, there we go, there's the carrots. Okay, now for the good part, the turkey leg. Now, if you guys recall from our video, this turkey definitely turned out pretty spicy. So, this is a good point to put on your rubber gloves. Okay. Hey, oh. All right, guys, what I forgot to mention was our secret ingredient, and that is frozen peas. Make sure you get some of these frozen peas. They're gonna go in toward the end. All right guys, so now we're gonna prepare some of the wet ingredients here. Okay, we're gonna do a couple eggs. All right, now for the soy sauce and oyster sauce, you wanna use 2 parts soy to 1 part oyster. So we're gonna go about a half cup of oyster. It's only making a lot of this fried rice. And then combine them well. And this is where I add a little bit of the sesame oil. Okay, and you can use roasted, spicy, whatever you want. I'm just gonna give it a few nice healthy shakes there. All right guys, now all we gotta do is get the wok ready and cook it up. Just really quick guys, if you haven't done it yet, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell notification settings so you get updated whenever we post. All right, here we go. So the first thing I'm gonna do is the eggs. Thing of butter in there. Basically about maybe a couple ounces of butter there. And you're just gonna let those melt down. Okay, then you're gonna add the egg. You want these eggs scrambled soft, okay? And for one of these woks, I definitely recommend a wooden spoon or some kind of a heat-resistant rubbery one. Okay, while they're still soft and gooey like that, take them out. Okay, there you go. You got nice, still soft scrambled eggs. Set those aside. Next thing we're gonna do is take some, in my case, some avocado oil. And we're gonna put in the garlic and ginger. Okay. Then I'm just throw in some onions. There we go. Okay, I'm going to throw in the carrots. All right. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit of sesame oil in there, just a touch. Okay. Now you want to keep these moving until they get to the consistency that you like, really. I recommend not too long. Now here's the grand finale, the rice. Okay. Now it's going to be kind of chunky. Just go ahead and break it up a little bit. This is a good time for a little bit of that soy sauce and oyster sauce mix, and I'm just going to start with just a little bit. And that's about it right there. That's a little chunky here, but that's okay. Just break them apart. Now we're going to put in the turkey. All right, looking good, looking good. Okay, now I'm going to add the eggs and some frozen peas. And keep stirring. All right, now the last thing to do, green onions. And we're pretty much done. Oh man, guys, it doesn't have too much of one thing. You know, you could taste almost every little different spice in there, from the garlic to the ginger. You know, everything, the oils, the oyster sauce, the turkey for sure. You know, that smoked turkey with all that cayenne on it. You know, those flavors kind of leached out into the oil and stuff, and it tastes great. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by to watch our show. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give us a subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss a thing. Share it with your friends, file it away for future need of a good fried rice. And don't forget, you can substitute the turkey with anything you want. Shrimp, fake crab meat, real crab meat, lobster, you know, whatever. Alpaca, you know, you name your animal and you could put your own protein in here. Until next time, be good to each other.